down in the marble halls where the suits all meet. Pile of shoes keep time on the taxpayer street. They vote in the dark while the cameras sleep. But tonight something's moving 6 feet underneath. Feel it in your chest, hear it in the walls, a low down rumble rolling through the halls. The government floor is shaking, yeah, the government floor is shaking. All their lies been piling up too high. Now the ground says no more and it's starting to reply. The government floor is shaking, Lord, and it ain't gonna stop till the whole damn thing drops. They promised us gold, but they handed us rust. Sold the future for a lobbyist trust. Built their thrones on the bones of the poor, but the ghosts got tired of knocking at the door. Cracks in the ceiling, cracks in the plan. Truth's got a heartbeat and it's shaking its hands. Hey, the government floor is shaking. Every bribe, every bill, every backroom deal, just another brick in a wall that can't heal hell. The government floor is shaking, people, and the higher it climbs, the harder it falls. You can pass all the laws that money can buy. You can silence the truth with a well-practiced lie, but you can't stop the tremor when the people decide that enough is enough and the tide has turned high. From the Rust Belt towns to the city square, boots on the ground and fire in the air. We ain't asking no more, we're taking it back. Every tremor's a promise, every crack's a fact. Let the chandelier swing, let the gavel fall. When the floor finally caves,